This is a quick view of how this tutorial series comes together through the remaining 5 videos. We just made a lookup table, so our next challenge is figuring out how to use it. We'll start by creating our environment. We'll array a list of points in space, and we'll use our periodic minimal surface equations to get scalar values for each of those points. Then we can visualize those points to get some previews of our surfaces. Right after that, we start writing our marching cube script. We have a list of points and a list of values, so we need to set up some iterations so that we can visit them in groups of 8 as if they're cubes. Once we have cubes, we can put meshes in those cubes. Magically, or maybe predictably, these meshes will make surfaces, some beautiful shapes, but they'll be a little rough, a little pixelated. So then we'll adjust the vertices a little bit of each of the smaller meshes, and the larger mesh they make will be smooth. But we can do better. We can be smoother. So we'll go through a couple of ways to refine the mesh, and then we'll visualize the mesh. These videos and all the Grasshopper scripts and all the code are available to New Luca Pavilion members. If that's not you, it could be. By becoming a member, you're making more of these tutorials and explorations possible. The website is full of resources, and members can download all the files. And they have quick access to review and copy all of the code, plus of course access to every tutorial. Just follow the link in the description to pavilion.newluca.com and click join. And thank you so much for your support. See you soon on the next one.